Guys, welcome to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to discuss a new question of sorting and sorting series, that is count possible triangle. So in this question, you will be given an unordered unsorted array of n positive integers. Find the number of triangles that can be formed with three different array elements as lengths of three sides of a triangle. So basically, we'll be given an array and we have to consider this element as the three sides of the triangle, and then we have to check if it forms a triangle or not, and we have to return the count of the triangles that we can form using these array elements, right? So let's say n here is equals to 5. Okay, so if I say let's take these two, this 3, if I take these three these three elements as three sides of my triangle, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. Now I check if these three sides form a triangle or not. So what is the condition to check if it forms a triangle or not is that the sum of any two sides should be greater than it should be strictly greater than the third side, right? So yeah, I'll check if A plus B is greater than C or not, B plus C is greater than A or not, and A plus C is greater than B or not. Okay, so let's say if 6 plus 2 is strictly greater than 8 or not. So no, so it does not form any triangle. Okay, these three sides does not form any triangle. Now what do? Now I select, I select now 6, 8, 6, 8 and 9. Okay, 6, 8 and 9. All right, I choose all these three sides, that is 6, 8 and 9, and now I check if these three sides forms a triangle or not. 6 plus 8 is greater than 9, 8 plus 6 is greater than 9, 9 plus 6 is greater than 8. So these three sides form a triangle, right? So this is what we have to check, and if it forms a triangle, then my count increase by 1. So it means I have found one triangle. Okay, I can make one triangle. Now I again say if I choose 6, 4 and 8. Okay, if I choose 6, 4 and 8, then 6 plus 4 is greater than 8, 8 plus 4 is greater than 6, and 8 plus 6 is greater than 4. So these three sides also form a triangle. So now I get two triangles. I can form two triangles using these array elements. I can make more than two triangles also, right? So I just have to check if I can make a triangle or not, and then I'll increase my count by 1. Okay, so now I say, what if I sort my array? So if I sort my array, okay, it becomes 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Okay, so this is my array now. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, right? So let's erase and make another array. Let's say I have 6 elements. So I sorted them. These are 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 12. Okay, these are my elements. That is, I have 6 sides. So I have now sorted them. Now if I say I fix this one side, I take my largest side. Okay, if I say I fix this side of mine and I take another two sides, let's say this is my another side, that is my second largest side. Okay, so this is my second highest side. Okay, and this is my lowest side. Okay, all right, then I check if my ARR of low plus ARR of SHI, that is my second highest, is it greater than ARR of I? So if 2 plus 9 greater than 12, no, it's not, right? So it does not form any triangle. So what do I do now? I now increase my low to 4. All right, now I can check if ARR of 4 plus ARR of 9, with I fix my these two elements, and then I am increasing my low and checking if it can form a triangle or not. Now ARR of 4 is what? ARR of 2 is what? 4. So 4 plus 9, is it greater than 12? Yes, it is greater than 12. Now I check if 9 plus 12 greater than 4. I don't have to check this condition. I am set. If I if my this condition is satisfied, that is if ARR of low plus ARR of SHI is greater than ARR of I, then I don't have to check this condition. Okay. Why? Because see here. Let me erase this first. This is my second highest. This is my highest. I have fixed these two sides, and I'm checking if I have checked if my this ARR of low, that is 4 plus 9 greater than 12. Yes, it is greater than 12. So it means that if I then it means that I don't have to check the condition if 9 plus 4, if 9 plus 12 is greater than 4 or not, because it is the smallest side and this is the second highest side, and both of these are greater than the sum of both of these sides are greater than is greater than 12, right? So it means I don't need to check the condition for this 9 plus 12 is greater than 4, because this is my side that is even more greater than 4, right? And this is my highest side. Like if the smallest and the second highest is greater than 12, greater than the highest, then the second highest plus like the highest side, second highest plus the highest side is also going to form a greater sum than my lowest side, right? So I don't have to check the condition. And again, what again condition it can happen? This. Now I have to check what if 12 plus 4 is greater than 9 or not. So here, as you can see, that my highest size is greater than the second highest side. So even if I add something to my second highest, like my even if I add anything to my highest side, it is always going to be greater than my second highest side. So I don't need to check another two condition here, right? So if this condition is satisfied, it means yeah, it forms a triangle. Now if I increase my low to 6, and if I fix these two sides, and if it means if I fix my these two sides, this side that is 9 and 12, and increase my low, this is also going to form a triangle because I am increasing my low by keeping these two sides constant. So let's see here, 6 plus 9 is going to 6 plus 9, this sum is going to be even more greater, right? So this is definitely going to form a triangle. Now again, if I increase again my low, then this is also going to form a greater, like this is again also going to form a greater sum than 12, right? So I don't need to check for these two sides, right? So, I mean, I have to check, but if my lowest side forms the triangle with the second highest, with the second highest side and the highest side, then I don't have to check for this, because this is also going to make my triangle with these two sides, right? So with this, by checking only this one condition, I found my three possible combination, like, right? I found my three triangles. That is, SHI here is what? 4. And this is what? 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Because I found three combination, that is 4, 9 and 12. 6, 9 and 12, and 8, 9 and 12. By keeping these two sides constant and just moving my low sides and just changing my lowest side, right? Now what do? I found this three triangle for the two sides by keeping these two sides constant. Now what am I going to do? I am going to even fix this side, but I will be moving my right side now, and again I will be keeping my lowest side to 2. Okay, if I move my second highest, if I decrease my second highest is now is what? 8. Okay, now till now I have found three triangles, and now what am I going to do? I am decreasing my second highest side, and see if 2, 9, 2, 8 and 12 are going to form a triangle or not. So 2 plus 8 is not strictly greater than 12, right? It is not even greater than 12. So this does not form a side. This does not form a triangle. So what do I say? I say let's increase my lowest side. So now 4, 8, 12. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. It's not strictly greater, so it does not form a triangle. Now I again increase my low. That is, I check 6, 8, 12. Yes, it does form a triangle because 6 plus 8 is greater than 12, right? Okay, so it is going to form a triangle. Now I again get two combination. Now I again fix my this second highest side, that is 8, and my highest side, I fix them, and now I can again say, if I increase my low, because I don't, if I increase my low, then my lowest index and my second highest index both are equal, like both are same. So there is no point of looking at this, because I cannot have a combination of 8 and 12, right? I cannot consider this as my low, right? So till this point I can make 6, 8 and 12 wala combination, right? Now I again got one more triangle. Okay, so my count increased to 4. Now my count has increased to 4. It means I have found 4 triangle. I can make 4 triangle till now. Now what do I do? Now my every time my low is always, I'm taking every time my lowest side as 4. Lowest side as 0. Okay, at 0th index. Now I again see, what do I do now? I decrease my second highest side to 6, and my lowest side is again 2. Now check the combination, 6, 2, 6, 12. Is it going to form a triangle? No, because 2 plus 6 is not greater than 12. It is less than 12. Now I increase my low, which is 4 here. Now 4 plus 6, is it greater than 12? No, it's less than 12. Now I cannot have this combination, because here my low and my second highest become equal. So it is also not possible. So what am I going to do? Now this is not going to form any triangle. Now I move here. Now there is no possible of moving here, because if I keep this as second highest and I keep this as my highest, so even if I'm going to decrease my second highest, there are no chances that I'm going to make any more triangle, right? Because I'm going to decrease my second highest. Even this is the my maximum second highest that could have formed a triangle, right? But this is not possible at all, right? So my eighth was going to be my maximum second highest, right? Now what do? I come here. I change my highest now. Right? Now my highest is what? Now my highest is 9. Let's make this a bit clear. Now my second highest is, sorry, my highest here, that is my I. My I is equal to 8 now. My second highest is going to be lesser than that. That is, let's say it is equal to 6 now. Second highest is 6, and my low is 2 initially. So low is 2. Now we check if 6 plus 2 greater than 8, it does not form a triangle, right? So I say, okay, let's increase my low. Is 6 plus 4 greater than 8? Yeah, it forms a triangle. Okay, so I again increase my count by r minus l, that is my second highest minus low. It means I can form how many triangles? This is index 2, 2 minus 1. I can form only one triangle. Okay, so my count is increased to 5 now, right? Now what do? I again increase my low, but which is not possible, because here my lowest and second highest become equal to each other. So I don't do this. I now do what? I just see, can I decrease my second highest? So if I decrease my second highest, there are no possible chances that I make any triangle, because here this is lower than because here this is lower than my second highest is very much smaller than my highest. So if I add any much smaller value than this second highest here, this is not going to form any triangle, right? So which is not possible. So now I'm again doing what? I'm decreasing my highest. Now my highest is 6 now. My second highest is 4. My lowest is 2 initially. It will check, is is 6 lesser than 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2? No, it's not. So it does, this combination also does not form any triangle. So we got 5 triangles till now. Can I do this? Can I make this my second highest? Can I make this my highest and this as my second highest? No, I cannot, because if I make this my highest, this 4 as my highest, this 2 as my second highest, then there will be my lowest. I'm not going to have any lowest try side, right? So my loop will run till what? Till I greater than equals to 2, because I can have make my second highest, like I can make my highest side as till index 2, right? Till index 2. Okay, so let's see now. What am I doing here is, I am first of all fixing my highest and then my second highest and moving my lows. Okay, all right. If I found one answer, then I decrease my second highest. Okay, and when the lowest become equal to second highest, I terminate the loop, and then I do what? I decrease my highest. Okay, I decrease my highest, and then check if how many, by keeping this as my highest, how many possible triangles are there, right? Now let's write the code. Int n is equals to arr dot length. N is equals to arr dot length. Let's make my low, second highest, and count equals to 0, and let's run a for loop. For int I should be equals to what? N minus 1. My first of all, my highest would be at position, which position? Greater than equals to 2, and I plus 2. And I forgot to sort my array, so sort it. Arrays dot sort arr. Okay, now let's do what? Arrays dot sort. Okay, all right, let's do what? My low will be equal to what? Initially it will always point to 0, and my second highest will be always equals to I minus 1, and then I'll run a loop while low is less than my second highest, and I check if my arr of low plus arr of second highest forms a triangle or not, is greater than arr of I, then it forms a triangle. And also sh minus, like, and also my other sides that are going to be my low, that are greater than my actually low, are also going to form triangles with these two, with my highest and my second highest, right? So what will I do? I'll increase my count by shi minus low. All right, and what will I do now? I'll decrease my second highest. Okay, otherwise I'll do what? I'll increase my, otherwise my lowest side does not form the triangle with my second highest and highest, so I increase my low. All right, and then I return my count. Return count. Okay, so let's try to run this. Int I is equals to variable I minus 1. Int I is equals to n minus 1. It should be n minus 1. It should not be n minus I. At which line? 18. If arr of low is equals to 0, okay, I minus 1, arr of low plus arr of shi is greater than arr of I. Shi minus low plus plus. Let's see what happens. Okay, it should be I minus minus. And now let's try to run this code. Okay, accepted. And let's try to submit this. Okay, correct answer submitted. So I hope I was able to make it clear to you guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching.